hope you're having a good day. Today's a nice day, and you know it's warm. It's actually 23 degrees here. I find it hard to believe. Currently, I'm at my favorite place. Here's a bank, but the thing with being here, you know, it's nice. It's really nice, as you can see. That's Belfast Lough, and yeah. So last night I was recording Sir Thomas and Lady Dixon Park. I recorded an interview of a friend, and yeah, he was giving his testimony. But as I was setting up, it just made me think, you know, what I like is to have things, you know, it should be simple in setting things up. And so I tried to make it as simple as possible. Just to make sure that there's no glitches. Yes, it was the camera that I use. I use a shotgun mic, and then I record it into a Zoom recorder. I could have set up another camera just to get another angle, but the question is, did it really need it? And to be honest, it probably didn't, because the message was. The message was really for itself. The message was all by itself, you know, and that's technically what it was. I mean, that's all it needed to be. There's nothing I could have did to make the video any better, but it's just one of these things, and yeah, it's quite a kind of an interesting concept. You know, how do you make a video better? In the future, what we're going to have to do is I'm going to see if I can make video making easier. You know, to make it worthwhile, to make it known that I'm, you know, having the relevant message. And yes, yesterday I ended up uploading a video where I was teaching people how to make my favorite pizza. And you know, the multiple camera angle, it worked there because it needed it. It was nice to show how I was working with the dough, and it sort of needed it. But for many other things, I mean, if it doesn't enhance my video in any particular way, then I have to question: is there any real point? Is there any real point? But yeah, that's technically my thought for today. Obviously every day is a learning day, and this is one of these things. You know, I have to learn how to use my equipment, how to get better at what I do, and use your equipment wisely. And if that's going to be your drone, if it's going to be your camera, if it's going to be your microphone, your computer even, you know, use it wisely, and get enjoyment. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.